Hollerith machine for the U.S. Census. Purpose of the speech: commemorating an idea. Central idea: Hollerith machine was invented to analyze data for the 1890 U.S. Census. Computing began with the Herman Hollerith 1890 Census tabulator. Modern computers continue to use the same main functions as used by the Hollerith machine. This is the Hollerith machine. This is the Hollerith machine top view. This is the Hollerith machine with an operator. This is the Hollerith machine working and with the operator. This is a punch card. This is the phonograph, which is like the keyboard for a modern day computer. This is a card reader, which for a modern day computer would be the CPU. This is the tabulator dials, which in a modern day computer would be the RAM memory. This is the hard drive, or in the Hollerith computer would be the sorting table. Introduction: modern day advantages depends mainly on computer processes and data analysis. According to U.S. Census Bureau, Herman Hollerith's impressive results earned him the contract to process and tabulate the 1890 census data. First, we'll understand what was the problem with the 1890 census data, and then you'll understand what the solution was. Then you'll understand the advancements made on that solution throughout time. The United States Census. The first computer was born not to play or for social networking, but to count numbers of people in the U.S. 2020 has been the year for the 24th census in the U.S. Since 1890, Hollerith machine invention, the census has been analyzed using electronic data processors that embrace the era of computer technology. To understand the situation, we shall see the problem, the competition, and the solution. Since 1790, the U.S. has been keeping track of their citizens through a census. In 1880, it took 8 years for the census to be completed. In 1890, they calculated it would take 10 years for the census to be completed. In short, they would have to do another census before the previous census was completed. To solve this solution, to have a solution for this problem, they decided to make up a competition since they couldn't change the Constitution. Herman Hollerith came in with this modern, majestic machine that looks like a desk, but unexpectedly sped up the pace of life. In 1880, the census took 8 years. In 1890, the census would have taken 10 years. But with the help of the machine, of the Hollerith machine, it only took 6 years. It was the first punch card machine used for data analysis. It took 700 cards per day, 100 cards faster than before. They processed a total of 60 billion punch cards. They saved $5 million in government, around $70 million today. In conclusion, Hollerith machine was the first ancestor of today's computers, software development, and data analysis. Even though the Hollerith machine for the U.S. Census might not be well known, this invention changed the world and continues to change the world for years to come. Here's my works cited. Thank you.